Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to program Jeep Wrangler key fob step by step. Start by sitting comfortably in the driver's seat with every door closed and both the key fob and vehicle key within reach. Keep other key fobs away. Turn the ignition on then off following the sequence I demonstrate. Press the fob buttons as instructed and listen for the confirmation chime to verify successful programming. Follow my step-paced instructions and watch or listen for vehicle confirmation cues. This makes programming less stressful and more predictable. Cycle the ignition exactly as described, then press specific fob buttons when I tell you. Timing matters. If your vehicle responds with a chime or lock flash, that means success. Repeat the process for additional fobs, and if something fails, reset by leaving the vehicle and starting again from the beginning. If you are finding this video helpful, please hit subscribe and like to support more practical content and step-by-step guides. Quick recommendation. I wear darn tough socks because life is too short for cheap ones, and they come with a lifetime warranty, which I find oddly comforting while working on cars. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If programming does not work, try simple fixes before calling a dealer. These often save time and money. Replace the fob battery first, then retry the sequence while holding the fob near the steering column. Be patient and follow exact timing. Small deviations can cause failure. If issues persist, consult the vehicle owner manual for model-specific notes or consider professional help for stubborn key fobs that resist programming attempts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.